Today we'll be testing a 5-minute scalping strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we'll be testing a 5-minute scalping strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 187 different strategies, with 60 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 87% win rate. That is achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator. And so far, since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 77 of the strategies that we have put it against. Every single strategy so far. We've also tested a total of 998 indicators, with 422 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we'll be testing a 5-minute scalping strategy. So the source video says, stop losing money. This strategy will double your profits. So of course we're going to put that to the test and see what we can get out of the strategy, see what kind of profit we can get from it. So we'll go ahead and turn off these two indicators here. First indicator we'll add to the screen is going to be the normalized smoothed MACD. As you'll add that to the screen right here, and it will look something like this right here, but we'll go ahead and jump into the settings and make a few changes here. So under the inputs, you're going to change the fast period to 14, and you're going to change the slow period to 27. Go ahead and click OK. The next indicator you'll want to add to the screen is going to be the Downtrend trend ribbon, this one right here. You'll add that to the screen, and it will look kind of similar to this here. What we'll do is, again, go ahead and jump into the settings, and we're going to change the channel period to 180. We're then going to go ahead and turn off this top plot right here, and everything else should stay on as default. And so go ahead and click OK, and you should have what I have on screen now. And so what we're looking for is when the normalized smoothed MACD, I'll just refer to it as the MACD from here on out, when the MACD gives us a green bar above the 0 line. And so what we're looking for is when the bars cross above that 0 line. It's kind of hard to see. You can go in and you can bump up the opacity or the line weight, or you can change how it's displayed. So we'll just go ahead and put it as a dashed line, a little bit thicker, so now you can see when the MACD histogram breaks above that 0 line. We're looking for whether or not it breaks above with a green bar, or when it breaks down below with a red bar. When we get a green bar to the upside like this right here, we're then going to look down to the Downtrend trend ribbon, and we're looking for it to also be green. Those two line up there. That's going to be your signal to enter into a long. You're going to set your stop right below the last swing, and you're going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward right about there. Let's play this forward and see what we get. Alright, you see that we make a nice climb up here, getting us to our take profit rather easily. Alright, for a short trade, again, what we're looking for is we're looking for that histogram to cross down below that 0 line. And when it does, we're looking for it to cross down with a red bar. It's kind of hard to see, but if I zoom up here, like so, you can see that we get across to the downside with a red bar right here. We're then going to look to the trend ribbon, and we want that to also be red. Again, once we get those two lined up, it's going to be our signal to enter into a short. We're going to put our stop right above the last swing, and we're going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward, just like before. So right there. Let's play this one forward and see what we get. Alright, so this one takes a little bit longer to play out, but we do eventually make this push to the downside, getting us to our take profit. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, If you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far on the channel. It has been able to maintain consistently in the mid 80% win rate. In the upper corner, you will find a link to the video where you can view the strategy. We'll also put a thumbnail up of the video on screen now, and I will also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. Alright, so let's go ahead and go over the numbers on the strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do. Out of those 50 trades, we got 20 winning trades and 30 losing trades. That's going to put us at a 40% win rate. And so with the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, if you were looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $12,000. On the losing side, you would have been risking $400 per losing trade. So your drawdown would have been $12,000. And so that would put you at break even, not including any spreads or commissions. And so most likely down a couple $1,000. Definitely not going to double your profits unless you're making even less. I guess you could say it would double your profits. Compare that to the Academy of Forex indicator. During the same period of time, we did 38 trades altogether. We had 33 winning trades, 5 losing trades. It's going to put us at an 85% win rate. And so if you're looking to gain that same $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $19,800. On the losing side, you would have lost $3,900 for a total gain of $15,900 altogether during about a 2 to 3 week period of time right in that area. So significantly better profits from the Academy of Forex Indicator. If you're interested in the Academy of Forex Indicator, you can get a free trial when you sign up for our Patreon down below. Once a free trial is over, it's only $15 a month to maintain access to the indicator, and you do have to maintain your Patreon status as well, but still super cheap for a profitable, efficient trading indicator. Let's go ahead and take a look at our weekly signals here. And so this is using the Academy of Forex indicator on these 4 Forex pairs. This one crypto coin, this is on the 30-minute time frame each week. And so last week on the Forex pairs, we had 10 trades altogether. We had 7 winning trades, 3 losing trades, putting it at a 77% win rate. Would have been a gain of $1,950. On the crypto coin though, we had 5 trades, 2 winning trades, 3 losing trades, putting it at a 40% win rate. That would have been a drawdown of $1,140 for a total gain of $810 on the week. So now at 11 weeks total, we would have been at $23,140. Alright, so that's it for this strategy here. Obviously, we're going to go ahead and put this one on the no list, and we'll move on to the next video from here.